Java is a programming language with a legacy of over 25 years. And even after 25 years, it is one of the first choice among the developers when it comes to the development of large-scale enterprise applications. So, enough of those Java is dead discussions. Looking at the efforts Oracle is putting into the development of Java programming language, and with a huge set of applications being already built in Java, Java is not going to go anywhere in the near future. So, welcome to this exciting journey of learning Java programming language. So, in this journey, we are going to learn the entire Java programming language in the form of various courses. Each course will be covering some or the other important concept in Java programming language. So, we are going to start with the first course titled Introduction to Java Programming Language. This course will include 8 modules and more than 50 videos. And in this first video, we are going to discuss about the course structure. What are the modules it contains and what all are the contents of each and every module. So the first module is going to be Java, the programming language, in which we will discuss about the scope, use and purpose of the language. We'll talk about the history of the language and the various versions of the Java programming language. Then in the second module, we will discuss the features of Java, which have made the Java one of the most popular language. The features include object-oriented, simple, platform-independent, secure, robust, distributed, multi-threaded, portable, interpreted, dynamic, and many more. Along with these features, we will also discuss what is JDK, what is JRE, and what is JVM. Then in the third module, which is going to be language fundamentals, we will discuss about some of the core concepts when it comes to any programming language, like the literals, keywords, identifiers, data types, typecasting, operators, flow control structure, branching statements, looping control structures, and along the side, we will develop our first Hello World program. Then moving on, in the fourth module, which is going to be classes and objects, we will discuss about the basics of class and object, which include the object instantiation, scanner class, arrays, for each loop, constructor, this keyword, static initialization block, non-static initialization block, and so on. Then moving on into the fifth module, which is going to be inheritance and polymorphism, we will take a look at the practical implementations of inheritance and polymorphism. In this, we will discuss about the inheritance, super keyword, aggregation, composition, object class, polymorphism, method overloading, method overriding, method hiding, final keyword, and abstract class and abstract method. This course primarily focuses on the practical implementation of all of these aspects. If you want to understand about these concepts in detail in a theoretical manner, you can go through my another course, which is object-oriented programming for developers. In that course, I have discussed about all the aspects of object-oriented programming in detail. You can find the link to that course in the description and also in the I button. Then moving on, the sixth module is going to be interfaces, in which we will discuss about the inheritance and the diamond problem associated with it. Then we will talk about the need of interfaces. We will talk about the use and rules associated with the interfaces. We will discuss about the difference between interface and abstract class, and we will also talk about when to use interface and when to use abstract class, and also the concepts of marker interface and instance of operator. Then moving on, the seventh module is going to be the packages, in which we will discuss what are the packages, the Java's built-in packaging structure. We will talk about how can we define our own user-defined packages. Then we will talk about how can we use the multiple packages in your application, and also about the access specifiers. Then in the last module, which is going to be strings, we will talk about the string class, the pool string versus heap string, why strings are immutable. We'll talk about some of the important constructors and methods of the string class, and we will discuss about the string buffer and string builder classes. So in this first course, which is the introduction to Java programming language, we have lot many things to cover, starting from module 1 to module 8. And as I already said, this is going to have more than 50 videos. So in order to make sure that you do not miss on any of the videos, please do subscribe to this channel press the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload the new video, and share it with your friends so that they will also get benefited out of it. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the first video of the first module, which is Java, the programming language. Thank you.